forge face. This is the forge. Today we're going to be working on making a couple 3 knives out of this piece of 27 layer Damascus. Come along. Oh yeah, I make belt buckles. Neat belt buckles. Check out Shoulder Millwright Services for all your millwrighting needs. Buy some belt buckles. Message me on Instagram. There's a video in my videos where I make the belt buckle. Go watch that now. I'll wait. So, I'm gonna try my grip tester. It 0. $204 today. Left. $214. Suck that, Muskoka Freerider. First thing we're gonna do is cut the saw blade stuff off of the steel. You can watch the video where I make this down there somewhere. Star swipe. Cosmic forging. That was neat. Okay, cut this. Right. Here's the belt buckle I made that you can see me make in my last video. Check it out. Just kidding, that's not the belt buckle. It's the belt buckle I made before Christmas. Who knew? Safety third. Almost hot enough that we can start squishing it thinner. Now we grind them. The knives are profiled. I'm going to take this tape off. I taped them so that the handles would all be matching. I have 3 knife shapes. Gonna be, I gotta drill the holes too. Oh, I hope they're annealed. No center line. With center line. Next up, we have to drill the holes, which I should have done before. I did that because I probably untempered the steel and it's not going to want to drill them, which is super cool. I know I'm supposed to use oil when I drill this. Oil makes a mess, and I'll just sharpen the drill bit when it dulls it and breaks it and doesn't cut it nice. So I understand that I should be using oil. I'm not going to. Now it's time to heat treat them. Oh, baby. Knives are out of the tempering oven. Michael Vick just showed up. Check out my new microphone. Thanks, Greg. These are what we've been working on. Now I'm going to hand sand these. You know what they say about sanding a knife with a palm sander, right? If you sand a knife with a palm sander, that means that you just sanded that knife with a palm sander. That's what they say. Next thing we're gonna do is actually hand sand them. I have to wash them all off with soap, get them all clean, and then we're gonna etch them. Okay, so this is my vessel for vinegar. I'm gonna put a little in here. I'm gonna fill this one right. This is gonna boil all of that. My 3 knives are gonna go into this once it's boiled for 1.5 hours. Wow, good job. Oh boy, that's some boiling vinegar. Pour it in the hole gently now. Any little bump and that stuff will blow up. Into there. It's gonna start doing stuff. It's gonna get all crazy and fizzy and yucky and boily. Now it's gonna do that for 1.5 hours. I'm gonna start a timer. Well, that was pretty fun. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, get notified. Follow me for part 2, where I put handles on these. Okay, love you, bye. Oh, watch my other videos, please. That would help me a ton.